it's nail art time. Let's do some quick and easy heart nails. All you need is a dotting tool and some colors. So just start off with 2 dots to make the hearts and then connect them by just pulling the polish down. For this manicure, I'm going to do a couple different hearts on each nail and then go in with a smaller dotting tool and do some white dots just to add a little bit more to the manicure. So you can see how quick and easy this is. You can do at any level. And what I'm doing here is I'm taking 2 different colors to have on a different set of nails. Just for something different, you could use the same colors, but I wanted to have a little bit something different. All these colors can be found in my description and in the link below. And there it is, cute heart manicure. Don't forget to subscribe.